Welcome to VC Media, India's leading name in B2B and B2C and social event coverage. Now we have been doing this event coverage for almost 300 events, and we have about interviews of about another 600 plus. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Nikhil K. N. Gupta from Rama Enterprises.
Namaskar.
And Mr. Anuj Gupta from Shree Sai Steel.
Thank
We
you.
would like to understand from them the journey that they have and the organization they represent, and what are they trying to showcase in the exhibition, and what is it in store for their future generations to come.
Good evening, friends. I am Nikhil Gupta from Rama, Faridabad. We are actually a franchise partner of Kamdhenu Steels, and we basically do in the pre-engineering buildings. Pre-engineering buildings, we want to save the time of our customer, and steel also. If you give us the order, we give the correct deliveries and correct on time, very much faster than the conventional means of the time. And recently, my younger brother, Mr. Anuj Gupta, is looking after this vertical. He may detail tell to you. Please have.
Myself, Anuj Gupta, from Shree Sai Steel. My parental company is Rama Enterprises, and in guidance of Kamdhenu, we have taken the franchisee for Kamdhenu Steel. And right now, I want to tell about prefab. Basically, prefab is the ready-made model of the franchisee, ready-made model of the pre-engineered buildings. It saves the time, energy, efficiency, and money. Right now, it is in very high revolution of prefab because the customer wants their time deliveries, which we are fulfilling, giving the at the time bond job on time. We deliver the material.
What are the other products that you are into?
Yes, we are manufacturing many products like their components of pre-engineered buildings like metal deck sheet, color-coated roofing sheets, Mangalorean tile, Z&C purlins, downtake pipe, standing seam, all of the products which are used in pre-engineered buildings, we are manufacturing each and every product.
Where is your factory?
My factory in Sector 59, Ballabgarh, Haryana, 132, 133, Sector 59, Hudda, Ballabgarh, Haryana.
And what is how do you basically take care of the quality part of your organization?
Yes, we are assured about the quality, like we have the team quality persons in our factory. First of all, secondly, each and every product, either in the form of MS plates, either in the form of color-coated roofing sheets, we are using from JSW brand. We are taking from JSW company, so they assured their quality. And in plates, each and every plate will be tested. We have the in-house laboratory. We cut the sample, then we test. Their welding part also we test. Each and every product we manufacture in welding form. Ultrasonic testings, DFT test, each and every product we tested. So we have in-house laboratories in our plant.
And your future plans?
Our future plan, right now we are doing good business in the market, and right now we have the good name in the presence in the market, and we want to expand our business, and we are expecting our sale double by in 2-3 years.
Any message for the people regarding
Yeah.
your product?
I want to tell about the product only. There's one thing. Actually, customers are running about the rates. I always tell to customer, don't be run about the rates. You should have to take your deliveries. Actually, this business is related to the delivery time. If I am giving the rate of XYZ and other giving the lower rates, and if he is not delivering the goods on time and they late the project, so I think the customer is in the huge loss. So I want to tell to all of my customers, kindly consider about the delivery. Don't think about the rates. If their rate is rupee, 2 rupee plus minus, don't be considerate.
So, with that, I would like to conclude, and I would wish you and your team all the very best.
Thank you.
And people watching this channel are now very well aware of the new brand, the Kamdhenu, which is already there for so many years.
This is our company name, Shree Sai Steel, and we are the franchisee for Kamdhenu Buildtech. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate.